Hello traders and investors. A very warm welcome from Capital Via Global Research Limited. Let's have a short recap of Nifty future last week. Market began this week on a flat note but fell sharply till the expiry day, hitting lowest closing level in more than 2 weeks as high intraday volatility was witnessed throughout the week. However, market regained positive momentum ahead of Union Budget due to news of better outlook of economic India and S&P rating agencies and estimates of better than expected CAD and fiscal deficit and GDP numbers under the economic survey carried out on 27 February 2015. Nifty March future gave closing at 8964.65 with the weekly net gains of 115.20 points. One may focus on FMCG, PSU banks and auto sector in upcoming week. In near term, Nifty is likely to remain volatile and may test the level of 9200 and it has managed to cross the resistance of mark of 9000. While the breach of its immediate support of level 8900, some correction is expected. My recommendation for upcoming week is Hindustan Unilever. The traders can take long position in this stock if it manages to cross its resistance mark of 937 with a stop loss of 917 for the target of 937 and 947. For commodity, Lakshmikant will continue.
For commodity, I have taken two commodity, nickel as well as soybean. Nickel, as major trend of nickel MCX February is down. If it breaks the support level of and sustains below it, then one can make sell position below 862 with the strict stop loss of 884 and for the target of 825 and 780. For agri, I have taken soybean. Soybean NCDX April is looking bearish on chart. If soybean breaks the support level of 3350, then one can make sell position with the strict stop loss of 3420 for the target of 3250 and 3125. Thank you.